When jackets and tents rip, there's only one tape you'll want to use. Tenacious Tape is an ultra-strong repair tape, available in clear, nylon, and ripstop nylon. Just peel and stick to seal leaks, patch burn holes, and cover stains. It's easy to use. Just start with a clean and dry surface. Cut a patch to size. Peel off the bagging. Stick to the surface, and apply pressure. Color match the tape for barely noticeable repairs. Or have some fun and use shapes to personalize your gear. Unlike other tapes, heat is not required, and the patch won't peel back over time. You'll have a fully washable, weatherproof patch that stays put, rain or shine. Repairs have never been easier. Use Tenacious Tape on tents, tarps, and all your outdoor gear. Don't let rips and tears go unchecked.